Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is episode 7 of season 1 of Shadowing Practice with Sophia. I'm so pleased you're joining me again for another session of English shadowing. Let's continue to build our fluency and confidence. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat after me. Today, we're going to talk about something delicious and exciting: the fun of trying a new recipe or food. Exploring new flavors and culinary experiences can be a wonderful adventure, and it's something that can add a lot of joy to our lives. Trying a new recipe can be a really creative process. It's like a mini project. You get to gather the ingredients, follow the instructions, and then, hopefully, enjoy the tasty result. Even if it doesn't turn out perfectly the first time, the process of learning and experimenting in the kitchen can be very satisfying. Plus, you might discover a new favorite dish or a hidden talent for cooking or baking. And it's not just about cooking yourself. Trying new types of food when you eat out or when a friend prepares something different can also be a fantastic experience. It's a chance to step outside your comfort zone and explore flavors and ingredients you might not be familiar with. You might discover a cuisine from a different part of the world that you absolutely love. Food is such a big part of culture. So, when you try new foods, you're often getting a little taste of another culture too. It can spark your curiosity to learn more about where that food comes from, the traditions associated with it, and the people who make it. It's a delicious way to broaden your horizons. Moreover, sharing food is a wonderful way to connect with others. Cooking for friends or family, or trying a new restaurant together can create lovely memories and strengthen bonds. It's a universal experience that brings people together. So, I encourage you to be a little adventurous with your food choices. Pick a new recipe to try this week, or visit a restaurant that serves a type of cuisine you've never had before. You might be surprised at what you discover and how much fun you have in the process. I hope this topic has made you a little hungry for new experiences and, of course, has given you some great sentences to practice your shadowing. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!